Hey everybody, this is Shauna with Lemmy's Cake. So I'm going to show you really quick how I assembled these strawberry smorgasbord boxes is what I'm going to call them. Now I already have videos where I showed you how to dip berries, how to make the crumble coating, and now I'm just simply going to show you guys how I assemble the box together. So this first strawberry, first of all, the leaves accidentally fell off. I prefer to dip mine with the leaves on, but that's totally your preference if you want the leaves on or off. Now what I did right here is when I dipped that first strawberry, my crumbles was kind of chunky and I didn't get a good coating like I wanted, so I re-crushed up my crumble coating, and then now you can see this berry right here that I'm dipping was coated a lot more easier than that first one. And then now, as far as the cones, what I'm going to do is dip the cone into your candy melts as far down as you want it to go. So I've seen some where people dip the cone like all the way. So that's up to you. I like to do it kind of halfway. And then I just roll it in my strawberry crumble coating. And then I just put that to the side. Now I'm going for my strawberry crumble cupcakes. So those I'm just, I pipe the buttercream on, I roll those into the crumble coating, and then I put my strawberries on. Now next, I'm going back to the cones. So I have a piece of strawberry cake. I'm filling it about maybe 1/3 of the way, and then just kind of stuffing that in there. And then I'm taking my cheesecake mixture or cream cheese, whatever you prefer to call these cones. And then I'm filling that a little bit, adding some fresh strawberries. And then I'm going to fill it a little bit more with the cheesecake stuffing. Okay, now if you want to know how I made that cream cheese stuffing, I simply took 2 blocks of room temperature cream cheese, half a cup of granulated sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract, and I just beat that together until creamy and smooth. Now if you want to add cheesecake pudding to that, I have before in the past, which is perfectly fine. So, there's so many different ways of doing that cheesecake stuffing. Now right here, I had little extra pieces of white chocolate strawberry crumble cheesecake, I guess, just some random I put together. And I am putting this in this strawberry smorgasbord box as well. Hey, if you want the recipe to that white chocolate strawberry crumble cheesecake, say hooty hoo in the comments. And I will drop that recipe for sure. Now for the cone, okay, don't judge my drizzle action. Let me tell you, it's really hard to do some white chocolate drizzle on the cone while it's in the box. I suggest you take it out of the box so your drizzle can be more on point. Okay, so it's ignore that. Look at that beautiful drizzle on that cone right there. See, you got drizzle outside the box. You can get a better drizzle action. Alright guys, so this was all for the strawberry smorgasbord variety box. Have a good day. Peace. Hey everybody, this is Shauna with Lemmy's Cake. So I just have a quick word of encouragement. When you're going through something really painful in life, what's your natural reaction? Well, mine is, how about, I don't want to feel it. How about, God, if you could take this pain away and do it expeditiously, that would be great. Because I don't want to feel it. I don't want to experience it. If you could tell my pain to dipset, that would be great. But what I'm learning in my spiritual journey instead, what if we try asking God to walk with us through the pain? And what do you want me to learn from this rainy season? Because rain is necessary for flowers to grow. So we do need the rain, but ask God how He wants you to grow from the rain. Because end of the day, God loves you and He has good plans for you. I promise. All right, peace.